Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's unpack my recent shopping from DentalKart. Links for buying these products are given in the description box. Do check it. So first one is EITI Relax Mouth Mirror. MRP is rupees 2250, but I got it at rupees 690. These mirrors are used in the field of dentistry for illumination, retraction, visualization and trans illumination. This pack contains of 10 mouth mirrors. So second one are the Oro intraoral camera sleeves. MRP is rupees 1400 and I got it at rupees 900. It is a pack of 500 intraoral camera sleeves. And the last one and the most important one is Waldent intraoral camera USB model. MRP is rupees 5500, but I got it at rupees 3990. This camera allows clinicians to capture and display digital images from inside a patient's mouth for patient education and case documentation. The box contains one instruction manual, one product certification, 1 CD with software,
I've fallen in love.
30 camera sleeves, 1 camera stand, 1 intraoral camera. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in my next video.